Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video I will teach some basic tools in SolidWorks. I am opening the SolidWorks application. Here you can see new icon. Just click on this new icon. It will display three options: part, assembly and drawing. In today's video we'll see about part. So just click on part and click OK button. Once you open this part homepage, you can see this toolbar: feature, sketch, markup, evaluate, MBD dimensions, SolidWorks adds in and MBD. In features there will be history, sensors, annotations, material, front plane, top plane and origins. So I want to draw in front plane, so I am selecting front plane and just click on sketch from tool menu. In sketch here is the some editing tools: lines, circles, splines, rectangle, 3-point arc, ellipse, straight slot and polygon. In lines there will be line, center line and midpoint line. Let's select line. This is property tab. From here also we can modify our design by entering dimensions and details. To draw a line, just click and release left mouse button and drag the mouse, and again double click the mouse to end the line. But if I click one time, then line will continue, so we need to click twice. For redo, just click Ctrl plus Z, or else you can find redo and undo icon on top menu. And also you can delete your design by simply selecting your design and press delete key from keyboard. Now I will show how to modify design from property menu. So select sketch and I am selecting line and I have drawn a cross line. See guys, this line is not straight, but we can make it straight from property menu. Press Ctrl key and select starting and ending point of line. Then click on horizontal option from property menu. See guys, when I selected a horizontal option, this cross line has become straight. Now I will show you another example with a vertical line. We can give dimension to these lines. Just select Smart Dimension from ribbon menu and select starting and ending point of line for dimension like this. Again, select starting and ending point of the line and just enter the dimension. So guys, now I will delete this design. Just select both the design and press delete key on keyboard. Now I will show how to zoom out, zoom in and rotate. Select a line tool and then draw a triangle like this. Once your design is completed, then click on mouse icon from top menu, or else right click and then select mouse icon. Scroll up and down for zoom in and zoom out. And for rotating design, just click scroll button and drag the mouse like this. If you find difficult to rotate design, then click on orientation icon and select normal to icon. Select a sketch toolbar and then select a center rectangle from a rectangle tool, and now bring the mouse and click left button, then drag the mouse, then design will appear. Then again click left mouse button to complete a rectangle. For giving dimension, just select Smart Dimension from tool menu and select on starting and ending point where we have to add dimension. Here I have given 4 inch in length and 2 inch in height. Now let's see how to draw a circle from center point. So go to sketch and select a center circle and click and drag left mouse to draw a circle. Then select Smart Dimension and click any point on circle, then drag the mouse, then you will see the dimensions line. Enter diameter of circle. I am giving diameter 3. Now click and drag left mouse button to select a circle and then press delete. Now let's see how to draw a polygon. Select sketch and then click on polygon tool. For drawing, just click and drag left mouse button and then click twice. Here I have designed polygon. For changing number of polygon, you can modify from property menu. Here is 6, so I am changing into 8. See guys, when I enter 8, the number of polygon has changed. And again for changing dimensions, go to smart dimension and enter the value. So guys, I hope you understand this video. In next video I will show how to use extrude tool, extrude cut tool and revolve tool. Thank you for watching. If you guys still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share this video.